Sorry about that, my camera decided to turn itself off for no apparent reason. Right, so we're nearly there. I've just read instructions. It says I've got to keep these two, it says keep the two cable ties in a safe place for use in the next issue. So I've got to keep these in a safe place. So I've put them in here. See, these are all my bits for the my bits for my previous all my bits I haven't got. Well, I can't do because of my missing parts. So over the page, so then basically so this bit got to go so I might have to take this bit off later in another once I've got these bits. So that goes in there. So that bit goes into there apparently. Fix the cable clamp around both pairs of wires and line it with the remaining hole with the heat. So that's basically it. Oh, I see. No, that I have to pull that out a bit further. I've done that too. Let's undo that bit. I've got to be too. That's too far. Oh, that's wrong. So that goes. That's for these two bits here. Sure, this the right way round. So basically, that's that. anyway, it goes something like that anyway. So so there's that bit there that I've got. It's a bag of bits, which I've got 29 and 33. So I've got those two issues, I can fix all them bits. There's that bit goes up and down. There's that bit what goes up and down as well. There should be a motor there. I think it's 33. There's, once I've fitted, that bit goes in there. And that's got to be greased up. I won't do that until last minute because I don't want all grease to get everywhere and don't want to all getting dusty. So that's a very last minute job, that grease bit. But that's it. And there's a power supply unit, an AC adapter. So that's it. Slowly but surely getting there. Thanks for watching. Bye.